satellite keeps it in place.
Satellite?
Yeah. Isn't it cool? So today I'm just gonna do a distance test, just to know how far it can go.
Okay. You're not afraid of the wind?
It's not the best wind condition. I should be flying against it. But at least this way, if it crashes, it's into the sand.
Yeah. Oh,
so I can go pick it up.
Do you work for somebody that's testing these?
No. I work my ass off to save up.
Just to see.
Yeah. So if it goes down in the water, it's all lost. So far so good. 300 meters. 300 meters. Yeah, you can see.
Whoa!
This is height, altitude, and distance.
Yeah.
So let's see how far it goes.
You can still see it. Will it just start drop suddenly, or will it like?
No, it will just lose the signal.
Yeah.
Then it's time to turn around. Or if the battery runs out.
a lot of maybe.
I know, a lot of things can go wrong.
Jeez.
But so far so good. 500 meters already.
I can still see it. Yeah? How's the farthest you've ever flown? Or is...
This is first day.
Really?
One.
Oh, okay.
I bought this first, and then I bought this next, and then I waited for the assembly.
Nice.
Somebody assembled it for me.
Nice.
600, 700 meters. You don't see it, right?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. You can see it? Yeah, it's a little black dot, like the only black dot.
See?
Oh, yeah. Wait, no.
Oh,
yeah,
the
bird.
I turned it around towards the city.
Huh. So it's just staying there.
I'm gonna turn it back forward. I'm gonna face us.
And then come back.
We're looking at ourselves.
Oh my goodness, that's too much.
Better than
You got a screen on it.
yeah.
It's like an Xbox. It's over the beach.
Real. This is outdoor.
So you want to see it? I can see it. Hey, dude, you can see it, right?
I'm gonna make a left.
Where the mountain juts out.
Left turn.
See where the mountain juts out?
Sunset.
All the way in the
Oh, damn, yeah.
Yeah, it's right above that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just chilling right there.
Okay, I'm
It's
gonna
coming
keep
home.
going.
I know you're gonna go farther out.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
800 meters.
Can you oh shit, you could ride up on somebody in the sand if you wanted to. They'd be like, what the hell is this?
Oh, no, it's too high up.
Oh.
Nobody will notice. 1,000 meters. So signal is getting fuzzy.
How much does something like this cost?
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Let's just say you don't want to lose.
Yeah.
800 plus 200 plus 500 for the GoPro.
Okay. Oh, okay. And then oh wow, the drone is something different.
Yeah, drone and you see how the camera was stable even if drone wobbles. That thing is also $200-300. So that's why the whole package is 800.
Wow.
Drone, that gimbal, and this remote 800 something.
I lost it now.
Yeah, you can't. It will tire your eyes.
And you just go straight. You're going straight across.
I am going straight. I see the battery is still good, so I'm going to keep punching.
That is
something else.
that is.
It's going. You know why? Because it's tailwind.
It's tailing?
Tailwind.
Oh.
That's why it's so fast.
Oh, okay.
I better turn around, otherwise I'm gonna lose it.
I keep thinking that you lost it every time you change the lens or like change the direction. It just blacks out for a second.
Yeah, because if I turn it, the signal range is covering different sections. That's why I believe, that's what I know so far. If the antenna is towards me, then I have the better signal.
Okay. Dang.
So I think this is successful.
Yeah.
1500, 1600 meters. I'm not gonna risk further. So
Do you know that drones go farther out? Handheld drones?
people have, I searched YouTube, people have gone 2 miles plus. The only thing that's stopping further is the battery life. Yeah, the whole thing should be 20 minutes or less. So,
Wow. You could do some serious scoping.
I know.
Oh, yeah. Are you landing?
I was.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna go up. Yeah. I didn't realize until I looked at the monitor. Okay, I didn't land all the way. It's somebody else's pickup. So it's 175 meters above.
Damn, you could fly above those cars. It's in between cars, but oh my.
Good, dude. If you wanted to.
Yeah.
I mean,
You know, I'm gonna experiment something.
I'm so scared when you do that. When I feel like it's gonna fall out.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
It's there. I mean, nothing's gonna hit it.
I kind of do want to go this
This is great.
Whoa, what's that?
A better antenna, hopefully receiver. It is better. It is better.
Is that a more expensive one?
And it's like $50. I'm just reversing. It's coming back, but facing the same forward.
And that's a quadcopter?
Yeah.
Quadcopter.
It's stabilized hella quickly.
Do you know Pam? Yeah.
That's really insane.
They just stop right there and fall down.
Like, imagine when they're this big and they have the same kind of chemicals.
Oh, yeah. That'd be gnarly. Nah. You gotta spot it.
Who knows?
Yeah, they'll report too.
Apparently they have a couple drones in Sacramento. The police department purchased them.
For their surveillance.
Yeah, I saw one time over the skate park. It was just chilling.
Like one of those?
Yeah, it was like, it was a little different.
What did it look like?
It looked more like an airplane.
The airport speed.
Speed?
Okay. And more battery. They have bigger room to store more battery.
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
It crashed once. Luckily I was recording. Yeah. I rollerblade everywhere recording with this helmet cam. So I had evidence that it's not my fault. And apparently they crash often. And all those people just, it's their fault. Yeah, then I made sure I turned this on.
Nice. So, hey man, this is how I know people more.
It's gonna come back. It's like 1,000 meters away now.
Where are you going backwards?
Yeah, it's like coming this way. It was 1,600 a minute ago. So it's just as fast coming as it was going. So I'm glad. It's 960 meters. Because general wind is from right to left. So the speed, I think we're still okay. This is gonna, I have a lot of plan with this.
Yeah, what are you trying to do?
Just, video everything.
Yeah.
And then get better and better. It's just fun. I'm not gonna watch TV.
Yeah, you don't need to, right?
Yeah.
Right?
This is it.
You can, dude, that's so true. Like, you don't have to.
How many more angles you can get? I was watching. They got like drone video of like shark feeds and like nature events that you couldn't get without like.
Yeah, everything. Actually, drone is improving everything. Movies,
Yeah, yeah.
or any clips. You used to need big helicopter, and the remote helicopter for any aerial shots. Yeah, but this is much simpler. This is amazing.
More stable probably.
Yeah, it's stable-ish. It has crashed. I mean, even within my use.
I just want to see you fly up on somebody at the beach, just like get right next to them, behind them, but then go back. That'd be so funny.
There's a clip on YouTube. This guy crashed, and then 6 kids, just little kids. They make fun of. Okay, fly by, and they throw it, and this guy tries to punch up. It's too little window time.
Oh yeah.
It crashes back.
That's so much fun.
600 meters away.
That is too much.
So how clear the vision? Okay. Oh, is that the one? No.
What is it?
The screen is much cleaner.
Yeah.
Oh, it's by the ocean, over the ocean.
Where? I better
Seems like it was
punch
close.
up. I'm gonna go up. And soon you will hear that engine. It's only 500 meters away now. So it's against wind. A little bit. Why is it turning around? It's turning around
On its own?
Okay, I think it went to fail-safe mode and it's returning on its own.
Okay.
Because it sensed something wrong. But I mean the battery was maybe 40% of battery, something like that.
Okay.
Will make it fail-safe and return home.
Huh.
See
Automatically.
how it's tilting forward to come back to us?
It's like,
I didn't turn it. It turned around by itself and then started punching.
wow.
So,
Dude, just fail-safe mode.
It just has to come back on.
yeah, otherwise you run out of juice. I know. That's why I wanted a high five.
Yeah. That's how you do it.
Yeah. There's a newer version. These guys are releasing, like pre-releasing. They don't even have it in the stores. That's like 3,400. I cannot afford it. But it looks like out of a sci-fi movie.
What's the company?
DJI.
DJI.
Yeah. More. Yeah. Their most popular model is Phantom. That's easier to remember.
I mean, shoot. So there it is.
It's coming, right?
Yeah. And it stabilizes by, you see,
Oh yeah.
yeah, right above the, when it stabilizes against the wind, like automatically, it just kind of,
And then 20 meters above where it started. Well, it's landing.
enough juice.
Yeah, it's landing.
There it is, yeah.
It is landing, right?
It looks like it's dropping, yeah.
I better go get it. Thanks, guys.
All right,
it was
see you.
fun. If it comes back, I'll come back here. But it's going. $200 meters. 1, 2, 3. Where is it? Can you see?
It went down into the sand, the color of the sand, you know?
Like in the middle, right? Or towards this, or towards
It looked pretty middle.
middle. Okay.
Damn it, I can't
Thank
see
you.
it. There it goes. It's passing the dark
Oh
street.
yeah, I see.
It's coming.
It's still going.
Yeah, it's still
down.
landing. You're good. Let's go. Go.